The Well Connected project is focused on modernising our properties by changing the traditional pull cord analogue devices, installing a range of new digital devices, and providing customers with the right support. The project so far, we've installed new technology at Derwent Court, Rochford House, Finningley Lodge, the Berry, Curtain Lodge, Tangmere Court, Northolt Court, Goodwood Lodge. Different technology has been selected dependent on the property, and this includes Appello units, Chiptech 7 units and Chiptech pendants, and alerter call tablets. Alerter call tablets offer residents the option to press a button each day to check in and tell us that they are okay. This helps us monitor their well-being on a daily basis. There is also other key functionality which they are taking advantage of. This includes instant messaging and calling their neighbours, and video door entry. The project continues to deliver further installation of the new equipment over the coming months. Our next properties include Radford House, Manchester, Duxford Lodge, Manchester, Hudson Court, Manchester. We could not do this without the fantastic support of our community housing officers who have been working closely with residents to prepare them for this change, helping us to access our properties and coordinating their feedback.